My name is Martin Sabanos. I'm partner at Hall Chadwick in External Audit division. We trialed DataSnipper pretty much from the day one that I started at Hall Chadwick, and after a short trial period and seeing how great the product is, we decided to go on a journey with DataSnipper. It's been 4 years now. From the beginning, we thought it's a great product. It's very user-friendly, so didn't need too much training up front, and we could see that will bring lots of saving in terms of time needed for do repetitive testing tasks, which is performed as I would say would take majority of time when doing external audits. It's transformed our processes, testing processes, audit processes, definitely impacted our efficiencies and time spent doing certain repetitive works, and accuracy as well. So great outcome is that our outputs are much faster and more accurate